Home HVAC Services provides expert boiler repair in West Chester, Pennsylvania, delivering fast and reliable solutions to restore your home's comfort. Our skilled technicians diagnose and fix issues efficiently, ensuring your heating system runs safely and efficiently all season long. If you have any questions, contact our boiler repair team. Are you looking for a boiler repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. How quickly can I get boiler repair service in West Chester, Pennsylvania? Most HVAC companies offer same-day or emergency services, especially during colder months when heating is essential. Response times may vary depending on demand and weather conditions. How much does boiler repair cost in West Chester, Pennsylvania? Costs vary depending on the issue, parts needed, and labor involved. Minor repairs may be relatively inexpensive, while major component failures can be more costly. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our boiler repair have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.